Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of the Atlas credit card. In order to do so, here we are at atlasfin.com, and according to their website, Atlas is credit made easy. It has 0% APR and high approval rates, safe spending limits that grow with you. You could save $1,850 every year on average, and there is no credit history required. It currently has a 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and you can enter your phone number here to get started. However, according to Cider AI, the Atlas credit card has some mixed reviews. Some users are positive, but others report a high monthly fee and a demand for immediate repayment. There's also a mention of a hefty annual fee for a high-end card. Potential users should carefully consider the fees and payment terms before applying. The lack of a monthly bill could be problematic for some people, making it difficult to track spending and due dates. Further, there is a mention of rewards as well. The card's value appears to heavily depend on individual spending habits and financial discipline. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our top recommendations and promotions, including a link to Cider AI. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.